Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to this beautiful 2-story, 4-bedroom, 5-bathroom home with helper's quarters. You will first be greeted by a double swing electronic gate hinged on concrete columns, leading to a remote controlled garage with concrete paved walkway and driveway. Ground floor, patio, living room, dining room, kitchen, cupboards and maze eating counter. 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, helper's quarters, powder room, storeroom, and laundry. Tiled stairwell with mild steel bar and timber handrail. Family room, study, master bedroom, ensuite with patio. 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Enjoy the scenic views of the city while sitting on the balcony for your early morning coffee or tea or late night wine or fruit juice. This property is located in an upscale residential community in the Northern Hills overlooking Havensdale and Meatherbrook Estate. The land area of this house is 17,886 square feet. This can be your dream home. Guys, let's take a look at the house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 75 million or US $487,200. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.